Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Nandito kami ngayon sa FC Hometown sa Cavite. Maghahanap kami ng range hood para sa aming kitchen improvements. Tara, samahan nyo kami.
Hindi maiwasan na ikaw ay titignan sa malayo at nag-iisip mo kung ano ba para ikaw ay malapitan.
Ayan guys, may nahanap na tayo. Ang brand is Haier. Ewan ko, yun yata yung pronunciation.
Tagal na di pala kung iisipin mo kaso hindi pa na to alam. Sinong sisisihin ko kundi sarili ko na labis ang takot na baka mapahiya lang. Toti man na kung ituloy ay wala akong pakialam sa sasabihin na mga hibang nawa na pake sa nararamdaman.
Ang price niya is 3,399. So almost 3,400 pesos na rin. 1 peso lang yung difference. Kaya nagpakuha tayo ng bagong unit. Siyempre kailangan brand new at gumagana lahat ng mga functions. So testing lang muna. Ito pwedeng buksan?
Babuksan po yan.
Pag na ano na yan.
Dito yung hose ni Ma'am. Dito pupunta. Dito lalagyan ng hose. Pero pa rin. Para palabas. Meron din dito. Yun. Tatanggalin niya yung butas. Yun yung ipapalik niya.
Kukunik. Kailangan na agayin siya.
Basta nakakunik sa ano yan.
Para pag ano ng hangin. Tapos dito yung ano, yung dako. Ay, yung exhaust yung malaki. Sige. Kala ko kasama yung ano. Pero kung pasok sila lang sir, ha? Ilalim yung tikas. Yung... ito.
Bubuksan kasi ito eh. Bubuksan.
Nasa ilalim po ito ha.
Ipapasok ka.
Sa ilalim, sa ilog to sa loob.
May manual naman eh.
Parang ito, nakapasok dito sa loob. Ito yung tanong. Oo, dito yan. Malakas yung nilak mo dito sa loob. Yan. Nakain yan. Malaki dyan. Ito yung nakalabas. Para doon sa puso. Yung pagbukas niyan, lakas yan.
Anong panitong warranty?
Mag-iwan mo gano'n.
Matibig na kahit tsaka kahit ilaw.
Kahit mga screw niya.
Ano yung title? Parang ito kasama yata. Kaya ano sa cabinet eh.
Sakali naman patuloy yung paglalagay, meron pa rin toxic.
Okay, sige.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Si tatay na isipan ko na.
What are you doing, guys?
Diba?
Wala na yung takip din yung talaga.
May filter to, tinanggal ko lang andun.
Parang ano?
Dito.
Parang yung sa ano ng laptop, no? Ng laptop.
Yung
Iba yung
niya.
release niya. Pag ganyan kasi malakas sumigop eh. Parang sa aeroplano.
Ito?
Pag ganyan. Iba yung... Pwede rin naman. Tatanggalin mo.
Ito ang kulit na bata. 8-0. Hindi natutulog.